Okay. Okay, everybody, let's enter the mission room. Oh, gosh. I'm scared.
I'm going to die again and be a ghost.
Yeah, I know. I forget how we got you back. Wait, no, I don't. Wait, why do you keep moving over? Sit down. No, stop.
Doesn't let me sit.
I mean, it doesn't let you sit. Is there like a invisible force field?
That monster.
Well, Calibre staying away from it. Welcome, everyone. I'm scared. You were probably wondering why I gathered you guys here.
Girls. Attack. Attack, girls. We're not guys.
We're not guys. We have to be quiet. I have to wait for the general to speak, or else bad things are gonna happen. I am the Robloxia State Army General.
Hey, I know.
What?
Let's
You
talk
can
in
call me
French.
General Poncho. What?
Let's talk in French so he doesn't know what we're talking about.
From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. I guess we can't. Or else you will be expelled from the team. Okay, let's do that then. Now, please take a seat. We're already
We are.
seated.
Okay. Nous. Je suis peur. C'est
C'est
ne-
quoi?
c'est très peur.
Let's get to the point. Okay. Let me turn on this PowerPoint machine. Click. So, this is our target. He looks pretty normal. His name is Ronald.
That's our president.
It is. We have investigated and we all know he's dangerous Robloxian. I know, I don't know why we hired him as... What did he do? You didn't know? That is where we are heading. I don't know what he did, though. Oh, gosh. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of the airplane.
Oh no. Everyone in that plane must be in danger.
That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. That's good, right, Shelly?
But nobody's flying it.
I know. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely.
We can do that, right?
We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. Oh, gosh. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. Okay,
Okay.
I'll follow you. Whoa.
Whoa.
What is this place?
Kind of scared. Let's stay with him.
Let's stay with him, yeah. What if something bad happens? Okay. I'm scared. Stay on the middle part. What if something bad happens?
Everyone ready?
I'm ready. I'm scared.
I'm not
though.
ready.
You have to
Can we
be.
just put Ronald in jail, please? Whoa.
Whoa!
Hmm?
Oh, what just happened?
I don't know.
Going down. Stay in the
Whoa.
middle.
Oh!
Whoa! This is cool. It's like a cool elevator. I like General Poncho.
Look. Look at me.
Where are you?
I'm floating.
Whoa! Cool.
Oh. What?
Whoa.
I'm staying up here. Kind of scary. Okay, wait, no.
This is cool. General Poncho, this is gonna be so fun. Yes, indeed, kids.
What about Ronald is gonna get us?
Welcome to the military cave. Whoa!
Let's follow him.
Follow him. I'm scared. That is how we were going to save the airplane from Ronald. But first, let's get everyone set up.
It's gonna be so fun. I'm excited. Are you?
No one is leaving this place without a military outfit.
Where are the military? Oh, there's a pink one.
But can we? I don't think we can get it. It's
I
locked.
got it.
You got the pink. Wait, where? There's a pink one. There is a pink one. I want the pink one.
Hurry.
I'm going.
Go get it before he gets mad.
I want this one. Looking good. Look, I got the other pink one.
That was kind of
I
red.
believe we're ready. Now let's check on the system. That one's kind of magenta, the one you have. Let's go. I'm scared.
Don't touch the system, anybody.
Yeah, don't touch it. Checking the plane. Ooh, look. There's the plane.
Not enough fuel.
Oh no. Oh no. It looks like we don't have enough fuel. Oh no. We'll need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. Oh no. That is a fuel nozzle over there. There's 4 of them around the cave. Okay. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. How are we supposed to connect them? It's like impossible. Connecting the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. I will fill in the tank once all the nozzles are in place. Let's go.
Okay, Kat, let's go get this red one together. I'm probably gonna die.
No, I'll get it. It's okay. It's
Probably
okay.
gonna fall.
You won't fall. Don't worry.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Hey.
Oh, what are those? Okay, let's get it. Okay, now you have to walk back with it. Want me to go ahead of you or behind you? You got this.
Ooh.
We're gonna be okay. You got one of them?
I'm probably gonna explode when I put it in.
No, you're not gonna, because he hasn't run any fuel through it. We're gonna be okay. Don't worry. There's a green one. Another green one. Come get the green one with me. Or else someone else is gonna come get it with me. And they're weird. Wait, no, they've already got that one. The yellow one. Okay,
He's got that one.
Yeah, he's got it.
Oh gosh, that looks scary.
That was a
Why are
big
there so
jump.
many like security things?
Yeah, I know. Okay. Good job, guy.
I hope it doesn't explode.
He won't explode. Get away from this machine just in case it does, though. Excellent. All nozzles are connected. Should we get in? Filling the tank now. I'm excited. Ooh, look, it's going up so fast. We're going to be out of here in no time. Don't worry about it. Yay. Now we are ready. Yay. Let's climb in. Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are.
I don't want it to. Wait. Why is he in there? But he's also.
I mean, he's in there. I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark.
Oh, that's Pilot Clark.
Yeah, you have 2 people. He'll be our
I
pilot through
hope
this
he's not
mission.
evil.
He's not evil. Don't worry.
Wait, is
System is
General
ready, General.
Potato?
System is
General-
ready. System is ready, General. Please start the engine, pilot.
Is General Potato
Starting the
why
engine.
is he a ghost? Because he's like white skin.
No, he's not a ghost. He has perfectly light skin. Wait. We have to get in.
Wait.
Ow. How do we get in?
Okay, let's go through the back.
Opening the back door, pilot.
Oh, don't get crushed. Oh,
Okay.
that guy got crushed.
Oh, no. No, he's okay.
Oh, okay.
Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door.
Go.
Sit down. I want to sit next to you. Okay. We're good.
I might explode.
You're not
I
going
don't
to
want
explode.
to sit near the plane wing.
It's okay. I'm near it too. We're both on either side of it. If you die, I'll die too. It's guaranteed
Officer
to happen.
Potato, so weird.
It's not Potato, it's Poncho.
Yeah. But I like Officer Potato better.
Closing door. Prepare for takeoff.
No, that guy should sit.
Good luck, soldiers.
Soldiers.
We're soldiers. Let's do this. Oh, we're taking off. This is so fun.
Sit back in your seat.
That's not my seat. This is my seat. Whoa, this is so cool. Even so, we have a few hours till we get there. Aw, there's like nothing. They're bananas! There is something about this Ronald guy. I want a banana.
Bananas.
I want
Want some? Wait, don't do that, cause Mr.
At first
Potato
sight, he looks like a
would
good
get mad.
person. Why would he do something like that? I don't know.
Because his friends made him.
General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry. Here, everyone have a banana.
A banana.
Mmm,
I'm not gonna eat it right now.
You might need the energy for later. It's yummy. I ate a little bit.
Maybe Officer Potato would go with the banana. Wait.
Don't eat the banana. Why? It's poisoned.
I didn't.
I did. What? Oh no.
Haha.
I'm just kidding. Phew. It's an old prank. It's a bad prank. It's not funny, General. It's not. I'm sorry, I just had to do it.
You had.
Had to. Anyways, we will be flying for a few more hours. Aw. You might as well chill or take a nap.
Chill? Yeah, it's
I will
really cold
I
up
will wake
here.
you up when it's time.
I'm not taking a nap.
Same.
Naps are boring.
Yeah. Naps are stupid. Everyone else.
Just gonna eat my banana now.
I'm not
He
gonna.
might actually be poison, but I don't care. Mr. Potato, scary.
Oh, looks like it started raining. Raining hard. Time to wake up, everyone.
And there's gonna be a storm, and we're gonna die.
It's nighttime and looks like we're inside a storm.
Yeah, we are.
We need to be ready in case we have to. Whoa!
Yup.
General, we were struck by lightning. Oh no.
Why is he so happy? Our right motor.
Our right motor is in critical danger. That's right where we are. Does that mean we will die? Shelly, get over here. Okay, everyone, chill. Get over here.
It's really cold up here. I don't need to be any colder.
I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Wait. Out there?
No.
No.
We're
General, don't do
falling.
it.
We're gonna fall.
General, don't do it.
Oh my gosh.
This is so scary.
Yeah.
The storm is getting worse. General, fix it.
Fix it.
I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Go.
Fix it. He's gonna. I hope he doesn't die.
Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning. I'm not covering you.
But we might die.
We might die. We don't have a choice. Oh, there's so much lightning. Why is there so much lightning?
I don't know.
We did not deserve to be in this. What did we ever do?
We didn't plan this.
We signed up for a secret mission to go save someone, not this.
Exactly.
Is he done yet?
Hurry up.
Hurry up, guy. General Potato. It's General Poncho.
Oh,
Whatever.
God.
I could sense the tingling on my arms. That was scary. How long until he's done? General, when are you done?
Make it stop.
Like 10 more seconds, girls. Okay, that's good.
Girls. Now he's saying girls.
Yeah. Okay, only a few more seconds and I'm done. The motor's fixed now.
Oh,
Phew.
let
Can we
us
get back inside
in.
now? Please? General, please let us in. I've never seen such a strong storm. Yes.
General Quack.
Don't say that. Shelly, he's
What?
gonna hate you.
Ah, what is that?
What is
Oh,
what is that?
you will not
Stop
stop
this
this
fate!
thing.
Oh no.
Burn.
Burn! Ah!
Fire.
Quickly! Inside the plane! Get in here, Shelly! Shelly, what do we do?
Away from it. Over here, over here.
Mhm.
Away from it.
Away from the fire. I'm gonna sit down and buckle in, okay?
Okay.
Pilot! Is everything okay? Where is the skeleton? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you were talking about. The giant skeleton!
He's kind of getting trolled
We
right
didn't
now.
say no skeleton, General.
That means he did see a skeleton. 'Cause
Never
he didn't
mind.
see
Let's just
no
keep
skeleton.
moving. We are almost there.
There is a skeleton.
There is a skeleton.
He's gonna set us on fire.
Maybe it was just a dream. General, you're finally here.
You want to know one of my dreams? All my best dreams always just
Perfect.
go away.
Everyone pay close attention. No more dream telling. We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. Okay.
Sure.
We
We're not
need to
doing
get
that.
everyone out safely before we go after Ronald.
He sounds so mad.
Once we are in there, we just have one chance. Don't say that around him. Good luck, soldiers.
Opening up the plane.
I'm scared. What's gonna happen?
Oh, it's wobbly.
Be quiet. This is it. We're in the plane. Be quiet, okay? It looks like Ronald covered the door. Yeah, in like saran wrap or something. We have to be quiet. I wanted to do this my whole life. I don't know who would. Oh no, we better hurry. Where do we go? Check the storage and see if you can find anything to open this door.
Don't touch that cheese.
It looks disgusting.
Hey,
There's some
brush.
glasses. Great, you found a hammer. That will work. This is not gonna go well.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, we're in.
Oh, Ronald's right there.
It's over, Ronald.
Why is he still?
How did you get here? Oh no. Hide.
How? He's just walking away. Look at all the people.
There is no time to go after him. We need to save everyone on the plane first. Yes, we do.
Oh.
Unite,
Untie.
everyone, before the time was out. You're free, sir.
There's a baby.
Oh no. Oh no, the poor baby. Okay, is everyone free? General, I inform you all the noobs are now safe in the aircraft.
You call him no.
That was so rude.
No.
That's like saying someone's poor and
There's
stupid.
one left. The captain.
Oh no!
Why is he walking like that?
Shh, be quiet. Shh, be quiet. He can hear you. This is it. How do we
I'm
get out?
hiding.
We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald. Hide. Who wants to be the hero? Step in front of the captain door.
No.
I will do it.
Cat.
I will do it. All
Be
right.
good.
We trust you, little lovely.
Little lovely.
Ronald, open the door.
He said open.
We can work this out.
I'm hiding with this guy, even though I'm a scaredy cat. He's still saying, how did you get here?
Ronald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You were running my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say.
What is wrong? Or,
Um,
ask him what is wrong.
What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend.
We'll be your friend.
Yeah. Should we be his friend?
Let's be his friend.
Ronald, you don't have to do this. We can be your friends. We can save you. Friends? Would you really do that for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yes. We will be your friends. Because you're a good person inside. I don't know if you can save me. I've taken things too far.
It's never
It's
too
never
late.
too late to do things right, Ronald. Let's get out of this one together. Okay. I will. I will become a good person. Oh no. Do you think he really will be? I'm not feeling well. Oh no. Ronald!
Is he a monster?
Ronald, what happened? Ronald! Are you okay?
The skeleton! Run!
Run!
He still says, I'm trusting
no.
you, you're lovely. General, the captain room is burning!
Oh no, what's happening? There's no time. The plane is about to explode! We need to get out.
There's no time.
Take this parachute. But General, what about you?
We'll try. We'll try to take the parachute. General, what about you?
Yeah. We won't leave you here.
Yeah, we won't.
We can't. I will save Ronald and the captain. There is no time. Just go.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
do what you say.
It was a pleasure working with you, soldiers. Okay, let us go. We have to get out of here. Where are
Where's
you?
the door?
Shelly!
Right
Emergency back door's open. We need to get there and jump. Ow! The fire!
Jump!
I'm
Ow,
gonna
the
die!
fire!
It's the back door. Go! Jump! Shelly! Shelly!
Jump! Oh, where are you? Cat! Cat! Cat!
Shelly! I see you!
Up!
I'm burned all over. Are you
Me
okay?
too.
Oh, look! Look down there
But we have to land safely.
in the water. Is that water? There's the noobs. They're dancing for us.
The noobs.
They're dancing for us. Come on, we'll make it. Whoa! The noobs and all the soldiers. And look, the one baby noob.
The baby noob. You know, I actually freed the baby noob.
Jelly! There you are.
Frozen in the air.
Come down.
Look at me.
We made it! Where did you go?
Hey, fine, I'll calm down.
You made it! We made it! Thanks, everybody.
Whoa.
We actually did it. We're still alive.
Ooh, I need to go home. I'm burnt.
Yeah, same. All over. Hey, Captain, you made it. You did make it. I did. Thanks for saving my life.
We have the same hair.
But where's General Poncho?
Potato.
Poncho. General Poncho gave his life to save everyone on that plane. No! He is a hero. And so are you. But
We didn't die.
thank you for your service, soldiers.
We didn't really have to die, but
I know General Poncho is proud,
potato.
wherever he is. I know it is Potato.
Oh, there's General Potato.
There's General Potato!
See, I told you he was a ghost.
Yeah,
There's General Potato.
we did it. Now let's go home.
What about Ronald?
I don't know what happened to Ronald either. Whatever, doesn't
I thought
matter.
we were his friends.
I know. Whatever, let's just go home.